Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. So we are just gonna do a 5-minute ponytail. I'm gonna show you how I snatch this hair from this to that, what you saw in the beginning. So going in with my edge boost, I'm just going to use some edge control just to kind of lay my edges down in the back and in the front, just to keep everything, because I just love a sleek ponytail. Just using my thick brush, and this is a hard brush. Like sometimes I use a soft brush, it depends on your hair texture, but I use a hard brush so it just really gets in there and gives me what I need. So I'm just gonna brush my hair up and just add some more of that edge control just to lay any little hairs that's flying away down. And lightly, I'm just going to pull out any hairs that I want to make baby hairs so that doesn't get stuck in the ponytail. So I'm just kind of like brushing it out like so. And I'm just going to brush the rest of the hair back in a ponytail. Now going in with my little scrunchie, I'm just trying to see how high I want the ponytail. And I'm going to use my little scrunchie. And I'm just going to tie my hair with this scrunchie. And you can make it as loose as you want. You can make it as tight as you want. It's really up to you. I love a snatched ponytail. It gives you like an instant facelift. So you see me tying and trying to get this thick hair over that little knot. But I did it. I just pull it a little bit just so that it's nice and sleek. I don't even braid this because my hair is just a little thick and it's nappy. Like it's really just like not easy to comb through. So I just wrap it and then I tie another hair tie in a bun and we are good to go on her. She is secure for now. Going back in with my brush, I'm going to make my little baby hairs, and you can use a little baby hair brush, but this is all I had at the time, so I'm gonna use my regular brush and just kind of like sweep those baby hairs. Like we're not doing no crazy baby hairs, okay? So I got this hair from the drugstore. It is a drawstring ponytail and it's from Equal. It's about 20 inches. It has that nice elastic band on the inside. So that's what you really use with the clips to secure that hair. So the top part, you just stick that in under where you have your ponytail, and then you clip the bottom portion, pull that string, and you're going to take that string and you're going to wrap it around the hair because you want it to be nice and secure. I want it to be tight, so like even if somebody pulls on it, she's not going to move. So I'm just wrapping it a few times just for it to be secure and as tight as I like it. Going in with a few bobby pins, and I only use like 3 bobby pins because this drawstring ponytail is really already snug, but I'm just using this to kind of like secure it a little bit more. So I want to make sure that if somebody pulls this ponytail or your man pulls on this ponytail, it's not moving. Going in with my little hair tie, I'm just going to tie my hair for about a few minutes, like 5 minutes, just to let that sit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we are done. Instant ponytail, sis. Like, what? I went from a baddie to a badder bee. This is great for date night. This is just great for any day that you want to switch up your look. It was super easy, and this ponytail I think only cost me $20, sis. $20 at the beauty supply store, and voila, magic. I love you guys so much. Leave me a comment below and let me know your thoughts on this video, because I think your girl is snatched. If you want to see how I did this makeup look, I do have this look on my channel. So you guys can definitely go and check that out. And make sure you just check out my other videos on my channel. I love you guys so much. Bye.